Dan. We're going to vlog. This is around the house. Well, what you're looking at right now is a wheelchair. If you got somebody that's got a bad leg, bad shoulder, and they're always messing up their ankles, and then having to use the crutches, it's not a good combination. So I decided to solve this problem, get a wheelchair. And I was at Harbor Freight and they were on sale for 110 bucks. So there we go. And hopefully this will solve any problems when anybody hurts themselves and forced to use crutches. Because crutches are the worst things you can possibly use when it comes to leg injuries or ankle injuries or anything that keeps you off your feet. So let's see how much assembly is required. That doesn't look like too much. We'll find out here in a second. Looks pretty assembled like it is, isn't it? It rolls around. This thing can go anywhere. Nice thing. Yeah, looks like we're fully assembled. Okay, it just pulls apart. You level across. Wheel locks. Both sides. I don't know how much one of these actually costs medical wise, but I'm sure they're not $100. I think these are the leg pieces that lock right here. We'll find out. Okay, these are was in the box with these things here. A little locking device. Lock it into place. Spring loaded here, and then they're on these pegs here, so take them off, you just lift it right up, take it out of the way depending if the person wants them or not. They may be, in her case, you may not need them, but that's spring loaded, and then it'll lock into place. And then your feet go down. There you go. We can just